Hello my creative friend, Olga Sobi here. Welcome to this new fluid art tutorial. I continue exploration of the phosphorescent gel. So it glows in the dark once dry. And today I want to try one in a blue color. I tried I tried green and yellow before. But with blue one, I thought it would be interesting to do a full moon painting. So once in a blue moon, let's create it, let's see how it turns out, and let's get started. Full moon magic. Secret message for this painting. I'm working on a round canvas. It's 24 inches diameter, so pretty big. I'm gonna do the moon painting using the same technique as I did for my planets and all the Dancing Universe series. But for the base, I have mixed this gel. So gel dries transparent, but because I'm working on white, I think it will actually work nicely because the white shining through this bluish gel will work perfectly. I also prepared a couple other colors, so I mixed some iridescent silver also with this phosphorescent gel. Honestly, I don't know if silver is gonna block all the shine because it's very delicate product, but we'll see how it dries. I also have some titanium white, and this is a greenish blue with phthalo blue, so it's almost like a pure phthalo blue for some shades in my moon. But I don't need the ring right now. This is a huge cookie cutter, but you can also use embroidery hoops instead, like I do for many of my rings and planets and spheres, all kinds of spheres paintings. So let's pour in that phosphorescent blue. So phosphorescent blue, mix of phosphorescent and silver, titanium white, and this is the blue. So this one I want like little. So when I blow it out, it gives me some shades. And let's blow it out. Because it's gel, I did not get any cell reaction in this one, but I have an idea to try. I want to try spraying some alcohol on top, and do not torch after you used alcohol because it's very flammable. I want to try using it just on top to see if it's gonna give me any cells. Okay, this is cool because the moon surface needs some of that texture. Oh boy, I hope it dries well. So now I'm gonna put my ring to separate it from the rest of the painting. And I definitely want to do it in the middle. Okay, I really like all the shapes now inside of the moon. Okay, so now, keeping that ring in place, I want to scrape away all of this. So far, so good. Next, outside of my ring, I want to add that dark blue. This is gonna be the first color. Don't worry about scraping all of this paint off the canvas. It's actually nice to keep some of it on the canvas because once you start blowing it out, it will give you a very beautiful, spacey, transparent look because it will blend in with your darker colors. Okay, next I want to add some violet. This is blue violet. And finally some black. So some of that silver mixed with not fluorescent, phosphorescent. Fluorescent is, by the way, different. For fluorescent, you need black light to make them glow. For phosphorescent, you don't. They just absorb light and then emit it when it's dark. Okay, now I want to blow this out, and I think I want to go. See, right here, that's what I'm talking about. This is so beautiful where this white and blue blend into violet, creates such a cool effect. So now I'm going to carefully rotate it. Okay, this is a little too much of white. Try to carefully scoop out, but not the whole thing, just a little bit. Just scrape off. I do feel like I want to add a little bit of iridescent black blue in my negative space. Right now it's just a little too empty, I would say. And I added some more of that phthalo blue too. I'm almost ready to remove the ring. Before I do that, there are just a few things. First, I want to add some stars. Let's see how that's gonna look. Oh, those are big blobs. I think I'll add some just white as well, but for a start, I'll do this one. It'll be really cool. They also dry nicely, the phosphorescent stars, and also glow in the dark, not just the moon. Okay, and now a few white ones, just so they're a little brighter. Okay, let's remove that ring. I always like to spin it, and I spin it in the direction of flow inside of the ring. Looking beautiful. Oh, this is so cool. I also have a few areas, very, very minor right here. Look like splashes or maybe look like little splashes right on the moon, but I don't know, other than that, pretty cool.